Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. Today we're looking at the Blue Ranger Shoulder Pulley. I wanted to give this a try and try to demonstrate how to use this. I went to the website to really find out what it's used for. I have an idea what it's used for, but wanted to see what they actually say here. So yeah, shoulder pulley with patient guide. Really, I guess what they're saying is that, if you have an injured shoulder, this might be something that would be helpful to restore your shoulder or the pain that you may be having now. I'm just going to go with what they say here. Restore shoulder health, shoulder pain relief. Great recovery tool, ideal for recovery and rehabilitations to prevent surgery, assist in healing after surgery or injuries, and for improving pain-free mobility. Helps enhance the range of motion for people suffering from arthritis, tendonitis, frozen shoulder. I know someone that has had frozen shoulder. That can last months. Syndrome, rotator cuff injury, bursitis, and other management issues. So we're going to try it out today. We're going to try to set it up. I'll show you how to do that, and we'll give it a little try and see what we think about it. Okay, so what we have here are some instructions, and we have the pulley, we have the strap. There's two types of these. One of them has a hook, this one has a strap. Alright, let me show you how to set it up. We've got two handles, and there is like a quick lock for adjustment, kind of like what you see here, and then you should be able to not pull that through. So that's how you would adjust it. We're going to go with the, to start off with, we'll just go with what they've got with the knot, and we'll adjust it to what we're comfortable with. I'm going to use this exterior door to try this out. I'm going to take my strap, I'm going to put it over, make sure that we're getting about, that much of it. And we're going to close it on there, just like that. Don't pinch your fingers doing it. Okay, there we go. Perfect. That's all there is to it. You could do this in a hotel room, so it'd be easy to use when traveling or wherever. So let me grab a chair. They say to set it at a 45-degree angle of the seat, and then I'll continue with at least what they say. I'll let you see that in a second. All right, so we're going to try it out now. If you're not sure about your injury, why you have the injury, you should go to a doctor before doing any exercises, and that's just common sense. And here's they actually say that here: consult your medical professional before performing exercises. Perform exercises slowly into pain-free movements. So what they have here is a person with an injured shoulder. They say with the injured shoulder, have it closest to the door. You can see where they've got the handles here, and that's kind of where I'm going to set my handles, about that far in length. So yeah, closest to the door, the injured shoulder over here. It says place chair at a 45-degree angle facing the door with impaired extremity closest to the door. Pull handle down while arm of impaired extremity is passively lifted up from the side. Unless otherwise directed by your medical professional, do not elevate your elbow higher than your shoulder to avoid pinching soft tissue in the shoulder socket. Note, keep palm facing you. And then I guess you could put down how many minutes, or your doctor could put how many times per day. So I think you probably might get this at rehab facility or a doctor's office. Anyway, let's try it out. Here's our quick setup to demonstrate this. I've got a small chair. Now most chairs are going to be taller than this. I've already sat down and I adjusted these to where I'm comfortable at. So you just pull them through and lock them there. Got them even. Got my instructions there. All right, so let's say my right shoulder is injured. So I've got it closest to the door. I've got my body actually facing out this way for that. I'm going to grab the handle. Now I've got my palm up. So actually with the other hand, the healthy, strong left arm, both palms should be like that. So I'm going to turn this over. Okay, and then let's say for the injured shoulder, sore shoulder, whatever, I'm using my left hand to lift it up. Okay, now my elbow does not want to go past where my shoulder is at, because that's, could cause some problems that you don't want. So you want to consult your doctor about that, how far to go up, if you're taking any kind of therapy. So you're basically just using this left hand. And I could do this if I was injured, and sometimes I do have shoulder problems. I think through arthritis. I would do this maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes, 2 times a day or something. So when we're finished, we'll just open the door, pull the strap, and we can put it somewhere or leave it there, whatever we want to do. All right, so that was the Rangemaster, the Blue Ranger Shoulder Pulley. And they do have a website if you have any further questions. They have a phone number as well. Right there. So I tried to go over, or tried to do a demo there of best of my ability from these instructions, and from the video that I did see, I may not have done everything accurate. So make sure that you check out any other videos. Check out their website again if you haven't, and that's the website. Also, if you've got, a doctor would be the best thing to consult before using this. Of course, you can, again, it says it right here, and that way you can get an idea of how many minutes to do it, how many times a day, or a therapist. Matter of fact, I found several therapist cards in here in this box. The box was actually from a thrift store. So there's therapist cards in here, and it's something that they apparently recommend using. So anyway, hope it's been helpful. Till next time, have a nice day. Take care.